Hey y'all. Okay, ignore how I look right now. It's early in the morning, and I was in here writing down the things I needed to grab from the grocery store for Christmas dinner. Because I would not be one of those people shopping on the 24th. I already got a few things, and some of the things that are normally sold out around that time I already got it. But budget did not permit me to get everything because I had other things I had to get to. Oh man. But for those of you who do not know, I have signed up to be a Lyft driver. I did some research. I was trying to figure if I was going to do Lyft or Uber. And a lot of people say that you get more rides with Uber, but the clientele is not the best. That you get some of the nicest people with Lyft. You just don't get paid as much with Lyft. My thing is that's fine. I don't want to be dealing with nasty people. I don't want to be dealing with, and it comes with customer service. You're going to be dealing with some nice people, some mean people, some cranky people, some goofy people, some weird people, some awkward people. I understand that, customer service for 20 years. So I am my daughter and her refusal to close the bathroom door when she uses the bathroom. Bless her heart. But anyway, so it's covering this part up because I ain't trying to show my address, but I got something in the mail. And I haven't opened it all the way yet, but it says, now it's official. It's official. It didn't take long to sign up. I mean, it was very they're very detailed, which I do like that. They want to know everything. So of course you got to supply, your name, your address, phone number, your social. But then you also have to submit a copy of your driver's license. You have to do a headshot that includes your shoulders. You have to submit proof of insurance, proof of your vehicle registration, all of that good stuff. So I was like, woo, they are for real. So I'll show you. Hold on, baby. It's yours. No, that's Brian's. Hold on a second. So I'll come back in a few to show you what's inside. Okay, so I'm back. So this is what's inside. Y'all see my daughter. Say hi, Andre. Hi. She has the sniffles a little bit. Oh, you don't look here, Vanna White. Stop, Dre. I got it. Okay, so that's what came in. You get the emblems and all that good stuff. I've seen a few people with a couple of the Lyft emblems that light up, and I want to know, how do I get that? So I guess I have to call customer service and see how to get that, because I would like to have that so that it can be lit up when when I'm in service, and then all of that stuff. Because from what I understand, they say that you have to remove the emblems when you're not in service, and that is too involved for my life. It's like, so I have to go to the back seat on the passenger side. I think it's on the passenger side. Okay. Yeah. Clean the inside of your front and back windshields. Make sure any old Lyft emblems are removed. On the inside of each windshield, place one emblem on the bottom corner on the passenger side. So yeah. So, so I gotta climb out the car, go over, do all this. Now, if I was using my minivan, I wouldn't even have to get out the car, because I could just get up and just go to the front and move to the back and stuff like that. It'd be really easy. But, yeah, I have a 2018 Ford Focus, and that means I have to get out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm going to give it a try, and I'll let you guys know how it works out. Because I was trying to find it online, somebody who actually you're just starting out with it. What is your take on it from the start to the end? And so I couldn't find one. So I'm not saying it's not out there, but I couldn't find it. So, all right. So I will let you guys know what it's like. Look, don't talk about me, y'all. Normally I have a little bit of makeup on. My hair I just got finished moisturizing my scalp and all that stuff. So yeah, my hair, and I gotta let it air dry too. But anyways, All right. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will keep you updated. Bye.